All right, the drink we're about to make is called A Day at the Beach. A day at the beach is always good for me. Now the drink is just as good. So let's add some ice to the glass and start off with a shot of coconut rum. There we go. And follow that up with a half a shot of amaretto. There we go. And about 4 ounces of OJ. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to mix these together, give it a nice shake. This is going to be a great drink to enjoy while you're at the beach, hence a day at the beach. If you drink these all day, it may be a day at the beach that you don't remember. So let's get a glass ready and pour it on in. And last thing we're going to do is give it about a half ounce of grenadine. There we go. Get a long straw, mix it up, and we're going to garnish with some strawberries. And you can add a pineapple too if you like. I always like to do an umbrella when I'm at the beach. Oh, in the glass, preferably. There we go. Bottoms up.